Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best GFSC regulated Forex brokers. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy this video. Let's get started. Firstly, the GFSC, or the Guernsey Financial Services Commission, is the regulatory body for all finance, brokerage firms and brokers in Guernsey. The GFSC is an independent entity and is primarily funded by members' fees, and their mandate is to maintain confidence in investors by creating an honest, professional financial marketplace in the bailiwick of Guernsey. The GFSC oversees and regulates over 2,000 members with GFSC licenses from banking, insurance, and investment sectors. In this list, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best GFSC regulated Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have FXCM. FXCM is a fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, indices, commodities and cryptocurrencies, offering competitive spreads on a variety of currency pairs and CFD instruments. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, NinjaTrader, Zulu Trade, as well as FXCM's Trader Station, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Featured accounts are available on standard, mini, and active trader accounts with competitive spreads, lower leverage, lower minimum account opening balance, up to 39 tradable currency pairs on active or standard accounts, and more. FXCM also provides their very own educational center, which delves into beginners Forex trading guides, training courses, a Forex educational video library, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to sign up to if you are looking for a more in-depth educational experience. Coming in at number 4 on our list, we have eToro. eToro is an online, fully regulated global financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, indices and cryptocurrencies. Featured platform for accounts is available on the eToro trading platform and mobile application, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature retail and professional accounts with up to 2,000 market assets, lower minimum deposits, negative balance protection, and more. eToro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, which cover a variety of trading topics, as well as a featured podcast and tutorial videos for you to browse through whenever you like. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have Tickmill. Tickmill is an online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stock indices and oil, precious metals, and bonds. Their accounts feature Pro, Classic, and VIP accounts with low minimum deposits, over 80 tradable market instruments, top-tier client fund safety, and multilingual support. Featured platform for live and demo accounts is available on the MetaTrader platform, as well as Tickmill's Web MetaTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Tickmill also offers their very own trading educational center, which delves into topics such as market analysis, the psychology of trading, various trading strategies, fundamental and technical analysis panels, as well as a variety of ebooks and webinars that you can sign up to whenever you please. Coming in at number 2 on our list, we have Exness. Exness is an online, fully regulated, globally recognized financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their very own web terminal, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Featured accounts are provided on Standard, Raw Spread, Zero, and Pro accounts with low minimum deposits, lower spreads, and more. Exness also provides their very own Trading Academy, which delves into the essentials of trading, multilingual video guides, market insight and analysis, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to browse through as you please. And coming in at number 1 on our list of the top 5 best GFSC regulated Forex brokers, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's WebTrader, and for all your mobile trading activities, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, and more for you to browse through as you please. Avatrade have also won multiple awards, such as the Best Forex Broker, the Best Trading Experience, the Best Bitcoin and CFD Broker, the Best Affiliate Program, among many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online, fully regulated financial broker. And those are some of the top 5 best GFSC regulated Forex brokers on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.